Hello all, good morning. Today we'll be discussing preparation and understanding of dot plot with a suitable example. Dot plot is a graphical representation of numerical data, otherwise quantitative data. Dot plots are very easy to prepare and very easy to understand. Now let us see the example. Dot plot shows each value of data as a dot above its location on a number line. Generally in the case of dot plot we have only one axis, that is horizontal axis or x-axis. Find the following data related to the age of 20 children. In this case we have collected the age of 20 children and the first child age is 5, second child age is 5, fourth child age is 10 and the last child 20th child age is 3. The minimum age of the child is 1 year and the maximum age of the child in the group or the sample is 10 years. This kind of data representation we call it as individual series in the case of statistics. And dot plots are very much useful to represent small quantitative data using hand. Let us see how to represent this particular data using a dot plot. First let us prepare the horizontal axis. Horizontal axis we have taken the axis starting with 0. We have taken a maximum age limit of 10. Now let us plot dots on the corresponding data values on the horizontal axis. See, the first child age is 5. So we get a dot on 5. Second child age is again 5. Again we have a second dot on number 5 on the horizontal axis. The third child age is 1. Now we plot the dot above 1. Fourth child age is 10. And we can plot the dot above the number 10. Likewise we can keep on plotting. Then after that we can see age 5, we have a dot above location 5, age 2, age 1 again, age 1 again. Likewise we can keep on plotting the dots above the corresponding values on the horizontal axis. That is how the dot plot is prepared. Again we have age 2, child age 3, child age 3 again, child age is 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 9 and 3 finally. What does dot plot represent actually? Dot plot will be helping us to understand about the shape of the distribution. In this case, if you have to look at the shape of the distribution, if I have to draw a line, it looks like this. In this case, you can understand that the shape of the distribution is skewed to the right. We can also figure out where is the peak of the distribution. Peak of the distribution is highest number is 1. We can also identify approximate outliers in the distribution. We can assume that 9 and 10 could be outliers in this case. We can also understand about the frequency of the distribution of different data sets we have on the x-axis. You can see out of the total sample we have 6 children whose age was 1 year old. We have 5 children with age 2. We have 3 children with age 3. We have 1 child with the age 4. We have 3 children with the age 5. We have only 1 children with the age 9 and we have 1 child with the age 10. We can understand that we do not have any children with age 6, age 7 and age 8 in our sample collected. So what is that we can make out from any dot graph? We can understand about shape of the distribution. We can understand the model value or the peak of the distribution. We can understand the frequency of corresponding values in the distribution of the data, and also we can identify median and quartiles. You can also use the dot plot to identify median and quartiles. Dot plot is also helpful in understanding how many peaks the distribution has. In certain cases you may have the distribution with multiple peaks. We can say multimodal distribution. We can call this kind of distribution as multimodal distribution. So such shape of the distribution we can understand. Hope that you understood about preparation of dot plot and what dot plot actually represents. I think that this class is helpful. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.